Look at this blue planet from a distance. He is so dreamy and wonderful. If you think you can walk on top of him, that would be a big mistake. His horror is far beyond your imagination. So just how scary is Uranus? If you are lucky enough to go there, can you hold on to him for 5 seconds? Let's go now, to a planet 3 billion kilometers away. If you fly an ordinary spacecraft, it will take decades to get there. If you had the speed of light, that would be easy. It will take about 3 hours after the flight. You can reach this, the most terrifying deep space ice giant in the universe. This is a spacecraft that has ever been, planets that have never been landed on. So please fasten your seatbelts now. Get ready to embark on a bizarre adventure. The moment the spacecraft reaches Uranus, the magnificent sight that appears before our eyes, it will absolutely fascinate you. But don't be fooled by this poplar blue appearance. In fact, this color is composed of methane gas, and it rotates in a very different way. There are only 17 Earth days in a day here. Here you will find that the sun will rise in the west. As the spacecraft approaches, potential dangers are also creeping in. This is because Uranus is also a planet with rings, so it's not as spectacular as the rings. But he has 13 rings. Obviously a natural barrier. Not only the outer ring but also the inner ring. The outer ring is bright and easy to identify and avoid, but the inner ring is very dangerous, narrow and dark. It was accompanied by a large amount of trivial rocks, so you have to be very careful with this part of the trip. Otherwise it will end hastily before it starts. Through the halo, landing on Uranus in a special spacesuit. 5 seconds after the crash, he was unharmed. This is due to the cold resistance of the spacesuit. Function because Uranus at this time, it has the coldest temperature in the entire solar system, minus 224 degrees. It doesn't take 5 seconds if you're not wearing a spacesuit. It only takes 1 second. You can turn any life into an ice sculpture in an instant, since it's been 5 seconds. So let's go ahead and find out for you. 10 minutes later, while falling, the sensors are sending back a distinct smell. It smells like rotten eggs. This is the gas formed by the special atmosphere of Uranus. After being fortunate enough to survive this gas, as the pressure rises, surrounding carbon, it turned into a diamond. Fall from the sky. This feeling is as amazing as being in the ocean. But it won't last a few seconds without protective clothing. That's not bad, but when falling into the dark clouds 80 kilometers deep, wind speeds around 900 kilometers per hour, enough to tear you to shreds in an instant, while gradually declining. Here is 100 times the pressure of the Earth. Makes it impossible for your body to move. That's enough pressure to crush anything. At this moment your charcoal machine body, it will also immediately become a diamond wreck. While falling, you also experience the demon layer as an ocean of liquid. After passing through this zone, the pressure here has reached 7 million. Pressurized by the Earth, the diamonds here will be bigger, like a diamond mountain. But it didn't last. You will be at the limit speed, after falling thousands of kilometers into the core. This is a lake made of glacial iron, a world where temperatures exceed 7,000 degrees. You will be completely vaporized at this time, and this terrifying journey to Uranus